Right here, I want to show you the Magic Chef microwave. So let me just get right into it. Powers about 700 watts. So you have a couple of settings on here. You have your ounces indicator. So you have your time next to that. You have settings of popcorn, just a regular dinner plate, frozen vegetables, baked potatoes, pizza, beverages, weight defrost, time defrost, and you have express cook. So you can just press 2 and then it automatically goes on to 2 minutes. You can just hit stop, stop again if you want to get rid of that. Pizza, it has its own setting for pizza. Cancel that. Beverages, it basically has a bunch of pre-made settings just for your convenience. So down here, you can go to the clock and then you can just adjust the clock just like that. I don't want to change the time there. You have a timer. You can just set it 5 minutes or 5 seconds, whatever, add, and then 50 minutes, and then it just counts down just like that. Just cancel it like that. So push this, open it up, holds about 3/4 of a cubic feet inside of here. So it has a nice light. You got a plate there that you can just take out and clean on your own. Very simple, very easy. A small little microwave that you can just have to reheat things, to cook smaller things. So this is how it looks, and hopefully you gain some perspective on this.